Okay, I'm going to do a very quick walk around of my new acquisition. It's a 1938 DKW SB350. No, that's not the engine going, that's a chainsaw going across the road. Anyway, this is definitely a pre-war vehicle. 38 I think was the last year they made. The SB350 was replaced the next year by the more famous NZ350, which is much more modern. You can see here it's got a girder frame. It's a very simple engine, a lot simpler than the later ones. I'll do a comparison with my 1954 shortly. This is pretty rough. I mean, it's you can see it's been well loved. I really like that. I like the patina that it's got. It is running. I've got video of it running. It's just not running right now. Got to do a few jobs to it. There's a few things to be fixed before it'll be back on the road. But yeah, just really excellent. And another little toy. And my wife was very understanding when I asked her if I could buy another DKW. Anyway, I hope you like it. Just keep an eye open. I'll be doing a few more videos and updates on my blog about how we go with the getting this back up on the road. Thank you.